Yes, so XLM is looking great to me right now. So, let's discuss some other news right now. I just want to discuss, what's happening with Bitcoin right now. I feel that, today's March 13th. This past few days prior to today, we have had a lot of altcoins pumping. They was pumping. I was like, yo, what's going on? I was just like, yo, which one do I buy so I could get on the wave? Like, what? So, I'll always tell you guys this. I never buy on the hype when I see these coins do 100% in a day. I'm just like, what? Anyways, I think that Bitcoin is in a very troubling state right now because we have tried to pass we tried to attempt to hit try to break over 4,000, and we have not been able to do so. Alright, this is the daily. I'm looking at, hold on, am I showing y'all the chart? I'm not showing y'all the chart. So this is the daily. This is Bitcoin just struggling right now. We just out here struggling. I just want to delete this real quick. Go to 4-hour time frame. So we have been this is the new struggle area for BTC, guys. Right here. We could make that one. Let's make this one. We can make it green. Alright? So this is the new struggle area. As you can see, we have many wicks who would try to hit that 3,900. No price action bars were actually able to hold above it. We have been in these Bart Simpson patterns as we have seen previously before. And I'm thinking, to me, we are not doing good. The volume, show you guys. So the volume to me is looking shaky. We're actually losing volume here. Yes, we had a nice little spike here, but this is one volume spike. Let me delete this. Just delete. So this isn't enough for me to hold momentum over, so it could push over and we actually go towards that 4,000 range again. So personally, don't shoot me, don't shoot me, but I definitely think we are going to see some bear times. We are in some bear times right now. So with that being said, trade lightly. I was reading an article earlier today. Let me see if I can pull it up for you guys. Let me see if I can pull it up. Let me see. Where are you? Where are you? Yes, here it is right now. Let me pull it up. So, just wanted to share this article with you guys that I read today. Bitcoin shorts near monthly high, and it could trigger a major price movement. Bitcoin shorts have increased significantly in recent weeks and a monthly high, an indicator that may suggest a decline in the confidence of investors in the dominant cryptocurrency. Shorts remain an unconvincing indicator of the sentiment in the cryptocurrency market because the take of analysis on the impact of short contracts on the price of Bitcoin differs quite regularly. So what does that mean? It means that people are margin trading and believe that the price of Bitcoin is going to tank. Yes, they believe that it's going to tank because we are unable to pass certain prices right now. And we have been hovering in this range of 37 to 3,800 for quite some time, and we are unable to surpass the 3,900 to actually go and retest the 4,000. What do I feel? How do I feel about this? I feel that it's impossible to tell what Bitcoin's price is going to be because of how the market has been reacting lately. it's definitely too hard, but you could always, make a prediction. I tell you, make a prediction, right? So let me share with you guys what I think. I think that we are headed in some bear terms right now because, like the article has says, we are unable to surpass certain price movements and price action and resistance lines that is making Bitcoin hard to sustain the level it's at currently. So with that being said, I'm looking for Bitcoin to hit 3,100, maybe even 20, 25. If it hits 25, it hits 25. I'm in for the long run. I don't know about you. I don't know about you, but I'm in it for the long run. I'm here for it. I'm here. So yeah, so just be wary about. I want to share with you guys that. So if you guys, another thing also is that if there are a lot of people betting on the price of Bitcoin going down on BitMix or whatever you guys use to margin trade or whoever does margin trading, I also feel that it's going to be a fake out where they are going to pump the price to liquidate these shorts, so their positions are no longer in the system, and then it'll tank. What does that mean? That Bitcoin price will have a surcharge to 4,000, therefore null and voiding those shorts and then tanking. That way, the people who bet on it going short will lose money, and Bitcoin, guess what? Is still gonna go bearish. That's the name of the game. This is how it happens sometimes, So, with that being said, be careful out there, traders. We never know what happens. Just keep your indicators tight. Make sure you guys set up your what you call it, your messages when you do alerts on these exchanges that you guys are trading on. So just be careful. I'm not too sure what Bitcoin is going to do next. I just think it's going to be a bearish move, as well as the article saying it. If a lot of people are betting on the price going down, that means people are betting against it going up, and it's a strong consensus around the market that is going down. And be wary of that. Don't listen to everybody, don't listen to me, but I'm just saying this is my personal opinion. Don't shoot the messenger. All right. So what else do we have, right? I also wanted to discuss, there are these top 10 companies that are doing some amazing things with cryptocurrencies, all right? So here we have 10 companies that are getting creative with the cryptos, all right? So this dude is just saying, a lot of buzz is circulating in the financial and technology space over cryptocurrencies. Whether or not you're bullish on investing in Bitcoin and altcoins, it would still be wise to invest in learning more about the space. Particularly fascinating is the underlying technology of decentralized systems and blockchains and ingenious platforms that allow digital information to be distributed but not copied or modified. He hit that beautifully on the mark, and I just wanted to go into some coins that are having really good creative projects that's happening right now in the market. If you are not aware, let me put you on. Java brings an extremely secure, not web-based, easy-to-use cryptocurrency exchange and wallet to the market. It is essentially eliminating the need to have several unsecured web accounts and giving you everything you need to buy and sell, use your crypto in just a few clicks. Java's corporate philosophy prioritizes security while understanding that ease of use is paramount to the user in a global economy with millions of transactions happening every second. A platform like Java would be crucial to securely, conveniently handle these transactions. Divi, which is actually a really dope project. I looked into Divi. They actually have a one-click masternode. If you guys know what masternodes are, it just brings in residual income. How do you invest in masternodes? How do you find out about them? Email me, contact me if you're in my Telegram group. I'll definitely let you know, and I'll also give you the specs and investing in a masternode. How do you know a company is well enough to even invest that type of money, and all the specs on investing in masternode. I think having masternode is dope. Just a masternode, short definition of it is just that it's like a node. So it's going, you buy X amount of coins, You put it on, and you get the wallet of that specific token or currency. You put it in that wallet. Now that wallet is now a node, and now you are able to verify transactions on your computer, and you get paid weekly, bi-weekly, monthly rewards, and it's beautiful as you stake the coins in your wallet. So you just keep on getting more and more coins. All right, we'll discuss that later in a later show. I'll definitely cover that. If you join my Telegram group, I'll let you know what masternodes I'm in, and if you don't have enough money to get in one, we could definitely pull some money in. Let's make it work. All right. So Divi is a consumer-oriented platform and user interface that aims to make the process of having a smart wallet easier. Sending money between users is as easy as typing in a friend's email or username. This platform is a prime example of what a future crypto world might look like. And in order for cryptocurrencies to pick up massive adoption in the long run, a variety of use cases and viable propositions is necessary. With this in place, Divi is in a good position to deliver a smart wallet and payment interface. Divi is doing the damn thing. Stream Token is a newly announced decentralized blockchain-based token that gives content creators the ability to easily monetize their work. For years, creators have struggled with monetization and have been unfairly left out of valuable deals. With Stream Token's easy-to-use, no-fee platform, creators can begin accepting tips and payments from their audience. This will allow them to more easily monetize their work and make a living doing what they love. You hear me? One time for the content creators, y'all. Mammoth. Built on Ethereum blockchain, it is an efficient, globally trusted payment solution for merchants. Mammoth support you across a number of channels, including e-commerce, mobile, and retail locations. Most important, it gives the buyer the ability to see the transparent reviews from past transactions on the chain. In a decentralized system like Mammoth, every player in the ecosystem will be held to a high degree of accountability. This makes the overall system more secure as the power is decentralized rather than put into the hands of a single entity. Shapeshift cryptocurrency is exchanged and extremely easy to use. You don't even need an account. Simply choose the coins you'd like to exchange and input your payment method, and you get magic. With no fees, no sign-in, and real-time update, Shapeshift lightweight platform is definitely one to touch. It simply approach great for users just getting into the crypto world and has eliminated the hassle inherent in most other systems. Woo, I gotta slow down. I'm talking mad fast. All right, just a few more coins. The Bancora protocol allows you to develop built-in price discovery and liquidity mechanism for tokens built on top of smart contract blockchains. This concept of continuous liquidity gives users greater freedom and more options with reduced price volatility. There are many interesting use cases of this technology. One of the most being the notion that Biz can create complementary currencies for their services. Spectrum Coin is another free and easy to use Bitcoin exchange and wallet for your cryptocurrency funds. It works over 150 countries and with 30 of most popular currencies. Spectrum Coin gives you a physical debit card that you can use at 30 million ATMs worldwide. It also offers a platform for merchants that allows them to accept Bitcoin online and in person. We almost done, y'all, I promise. COINBASE, having raised over 200 million in venture capital, COINBASE is one of the largest and most promising startups in the crypto space. It is perhaps the most popular platform for buying and selling the world's top traded cryptocurrency. Coinbase platform is supported in more than 30 countries and has had handled over 10.9 million customers to date. BitPayJaws is a mission to transform Latin America financial services into a world-class digital powered system. It has created a suite of tools and platforms that enable entrepreneurs and consumers in part of the world to build on top of blockchains and support the expansion of Bitcoin. There is far less competition in the technology space in Latin America than there is in the United States, giving this company massive advantage. Last And but not least, circles. Goals is to make sending money anywhere in the world as easy as sending a text message to a friend. Just as fun too. With a few taps, you can create a group of send money directly to friends. There's no fees. Circle has built-in, easy to use instant system for sending and receiving money from friends and family. It will be interesting to see how its product evolves and competes in this crowded space. I don't know why they put Circle on there, y'all. That was just, I ain't never heard of Circle, and it's doing a bunch of stuff other people was doing. But everything else that was mentioned on this article, good luck to y'all. Definitely check them out. I will leave that article in the description. You can check it out in the description. So yeah. So I also wanted to share this other fun article. JP Morgan is crazy, y'all. So this next article I want to share with you guys is that so apparently JP Morgan shut down this guy's bank account because he was dealing in cryptocurrencies. He had LLC called Crypto Traverse or something like that. And JP Morgan was like, yo, you dealing in a space we don't really are familiar with, but we're gonna just suspend your account and here's your money back, and we're not telling you why. I'll actually leave that in the description as well. I'm not gonna even show it to you. I'm just gonna tell y'all. I think it's just dumb. You guys just created your supposedly your own coin, which is not really cryptocurrency, but you guys can go into space and do what you guys have to do. But your clients can't go in and do what they gotta do. I wish that was some tea. I'm so upset my tea because that was just crazy. I swear, JP Morgan makes you want to just rub your head like this. Like, so you guys could do it, but I can't do it. I don't know, guys. That's all I really gotta say. I just don't know. Like, what are they thinking? What are they doing? Who knows? I don't. All right. So what else do I want to share with you guys? Oh, I also want to discuss some more technical analysis with you guys on just the Bitcoin plunge. This other article here, they're saying Bitcoin could probably plunge another 50%. I know. We don't want to hear this. No. I don't want to hear it either, but he had a good point, and I just want to share with you guys real quick. Comment and tell me what you guys think about, what's being said. Bitcoin has struggled to cleanly break out of the 4,000 resistance level and remain above it for more than 3 months, staying in the tight range of 3,300 to 4,000. And if the dominant cryptocurrency fails to test 4,000 again and slips, traders foresee the Bitcoin price declining to 3,300 to 3,500. 4,400 to 4,500 area is where I intend to hedge if we go up. If break down, keep an eye for absorption between 3,300 and HTF liquidity pool, the 2,500 to 2,085.50 areas where I'll start buying spot if no absorption and we break down to new lows, a trader said. But if the Bitcoin price maintains its momentum at the current level and gradually climbs up to the mid 4,000 range, analysts project a strong accumulation phase for the asset. Traders are cautious about Bitcoin. The valuation of cryptocurrency market has recovered at a fast pace in recent weeks. Since February 15th, within a month, the cryptocurrency market has ordered 14 billion, fueled by the unforeseen rally of alternative cryptocurrencies and tokens. Through March, low market cap tokens and cryptocurrencies have recorded massive single-day gains in the 50 to 100% range, with assets in the likes of Egen Coin, Grossentine Coin surging off high-profile product launches and strategic partnerships. Yeah, like I said earlier, like there's has been altcoins that's been booming. ADA is about to boom, I feel, as well. So yeah, just with that being said, I definitely agree with that article, 100%. I'm not gonna lie to you. Why? Because if we are able to retest that 4,000 range or keep above where we are now and gradually Because right now I feel we are in the accumulation zone. To me, from the 3,100 area to the 4,000 area, that's a 900 point spike, right? That whole phase to me is accumulation. If you buy anywhere in this is accumulation. But if we break down anything but to me below 3,100, then we are out of the accumulation zone, and we can hit the 2,800 and 2,500 as posted in that article. So of course I want Bitcoin to go up, but just looking at the chart, I'm just not 100% sure that's gonna happen. It's just bearish to me, you know. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm just not liking how things are looking right now for Bitcoin, you know. Also wanted to share with you guys this SEC news saying that Ethereum is not security. Securities and Exchange Commission chairman confirmed an existing analysis studying that Ethereum and other tokens of similar characteristics did not fall within the securities category under SEC standards. Mr. Clayton issued that statement in an official response to U.S. House Rep. Ted Budd, who requested a formal pronounced form from the commission asking to clarify certain positions regarding cryptocurrency. One clarification he asked was to corroborate whether the opinions expressed by William Hyman, SEC Director of the Division Corporate Finance, were representational or personal in nature. So he just wants to know, like, yo, is he just doing this so he can invest, or is he truly stating this because he's done his research and feels like we have no bearings to actually call them a security. I'll also drop that in the below link. I just wanted to share with you guys that real quick. You know, my thing is I just want to keep it constant and weekly. Again, check out my website, TRB Crypto Solutions, where we do everything cryptocurrencies. We help people understand the cryptocurrency market. And check out me, Travis, Crypto Trav, at TRB Crypto Solutions on all major social media platforms: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all of that good stuff, good jazz. You can also email me at contact@cryptotrav.info. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys want me to discuss. Comment below as to what you think about the video, anything that you want me to discuss, and I'll gladly go over it with you. Again, that is my time. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next show, which will be in a week. I will probably be dropping, I don't know yet, maybe something on ICOs, because I've had some hit-ups about that, or I'm going to discuss some masternodes. Again, join the Telegram group once you know, check the website out, and I like to share my personal thoughts in the cryptocurrency space with them first, and then I come here and I'll talk to the people. It's been a pleasure, y'all. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy y'all weekend. Stay blessed.